What up? James here from Two-Way Mirrors, bringing you a video on how you can easily cut and apply mirror film, two-way mirror film to glass. I'm starting off today with a small piece of glass for demonstration purposes. Now, the first thing you want to do is cut the film to the appropriate size so that the film is just a little bit bigger than your glass, because one of the final steps is going to be trimming the glass. The next thing you want to do is make sure your glass is super clean, because any sort of dirt, debris, oil, fiber, it's going to get trapped between the glass surface and the film, and there's going to be no way to get it out. So just make sure it's super clean. I recommend a ammonia-free glass cleaner or isopropyl alcohol, otherwise known as lens cleaner. Spray the surface of the glass and use a cloth that doesn't shed fibers, such as a microfiber cloth. I would recommend against paper towels because it tends to leave a bunch of fibers, and those fibers are going to create bubbles. So clean the glass thoroughly. Okay, the next thing you'll want to do is remove the laminate from the film. That's where most people mess up, is they don't realize that crucial step, that there's a laminate that needs to be removed to expose the sticky side. The easiest way you can do this is with Scotch tape. You want to have two pieces of Scotch tape, one on each side in the corner. Now, when you receive mirror film, you'll notice that it has kind of a curl to it. That's the side that has the laminate, is the side that curls inwards. Now simply pull the two sides apart. There you go. You see that thin layer is coming apart. Now on a bigger piece, it can help to have an assistant holding the film from one edge, because the last thing you want is for this to fold over. If it folds over, you're going to damage your film, and you probably won't be able to get it back apart. Okay, so take your applicator solution and really douse the surface of the glass. You can never have too much of the solution, but you can have too little. If you have too little, that could be a problem. So apply liberally. Now take the sticky side of the film and place it on the glass. And use your squeegee, and working from the center, you want to work the bubbles in the air out from the surface. And try and go slow. The slower you go, the less likely those bubbles are to get trapped under there. So you just want to keep on doing this until you get all the fluid out from the center, and just have it squeeze out the edges. And there you have it. Let's have a look at the other side. Okay, so that's the easy way to apply two-way mirror film, which can be used on for privacy purposes, on your house windows, or even in front of a TV to make a smart mirror. This is James from Two-Way Mirrors saying, see you next time.